Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to convert normal video to 4K. So, let us begin. To kick things off, open your preferred web browser and type in online.hitpaw.com. Now, if you are new to the world of HitPaw, I highly recommend creating an account first. Don't worry, if you need a helping hand on getting started with HitPaw, we've got you covered with a link to concise video tutorial below. Now, assuming you have either logged in or freshly created your HitPaw account, you'll find yourself on your personalized dashboard, a digital canvas awaiting your creative touch. On the upper right corner, right next to the upgrade button, you will notice your ID icon. A simple click whisks you away to your dashboard, your command center for all things HitPaw. With your dashboard at your fingertips, you will discover an impressive array of tools, each designed to unlock your creative potential. As our focus today is to elevate your videos to dazzling 4K quality, gently hover your cursor over HitPaw Online Video Enhancer and let us step into the world of Enhancer. Here, you have the option to add your video by clicking on the Choose Video button, or for the tech-savvy, simply drag and drop your video into the designated area. Let's dive right in and upload your video. Once your video is selected, the magic begins automatically. There is no need to perform any incantations. Just sit back and let HitPaw work its enhancement. As your video undergoes its transformation, ponder the creative possibilities that lie ahead. But that's not all. HitPaw doesn't stop at mere resolution enhancement. It offers an array of models, each tailored to different aspects of your video. For our demonstration, I will choose the face model, a perfect match for the content of the video I am uploading. After selecting your preferred model, anticipation builds as you click the preview button, eager to witness the remarkable metamorphosis. Behold the outstanding transformation. It is like comparing a rough sketch to a masterpiece. As you witness the dramatic improvement in clarity and overall quality, the difference is awe-inspiring, and you have the chance to appreciate it fully by clicking the play button to see your creation in motion. Once you are satisfied with the results, the path to download your enhanced video is just a click away. Locate the download button, positioned conveniently next to the new upload button, and capture your masterpiece for the world to see. Before we conclude this magical journey, I'd like to gently remind you that, as a free HitPaw user, your credits are somewhat limited. To unlock access to more credits and explore additional features, I wholeheartedly recommend considering an upgrade to your plan. To assist you in this endeavor, I have prepared an extensive video guide on how to do just that. So please, make sure to check it out. It is the key to fully unleashing HitPaw's extraordinary potential. With that, we wrap up this comprehensive tutorial on converting standard videos into breathtaking 4K resolution using HitPaw's Online Video Enhancer. It is not just enhancing videos, it is about unleashing your creativity. Thank you for joining us on this artistic journey, and we eagerly anticipate the stunning videos you will create. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.